So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have a circle which passes through a fixed point PQ and also touches x-axis. So if that is so, what is the locus of the other end of the diameter through A? So let us draw the diagram. You have a circle, it touches x-axis. Now PQ, let us assume that this is the given fixed point. So you're asked to find the locus of the diametrically opposite point, the other end of the diameter passing through A. So let us draw a diameter. So let this be the center C. So the other end of the diameter be H, K. So you're asked to find the locus of this H, K. So to do that, what we do is, so if the other end of the diameter through A is H, K, what is the equation of this circle? The equation of this circle in diametric form is x minus h into x minus p plus y minus k times y minus q is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle with A and B as diametrically endpoints. Now this circle has to touch x-axis. The circle has to touch x-axis. That means there should be only one point of intersection with x-axis. So let us find the point of intersections of this circle with x-axis. With x-axis, the point of intersections can be found out by putting y is equal to 0, because the equation of x-axis y is equal to 0. So let us put y is equal to 0. So you get x square minus of h plus p times x plus hp plus kq is equal to 0. So putting y is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic of x. The solutions of this gives you the abscissa of the points where the circle cuts x-axis. Now if the circle has to touch x-axis, there should be only one solution for this equation. There should be one x satisfying this equation. That means this should have repeated roots. This equation should have repeated roots. That means the discriminant of this equation has to be equal to 0. Delta has to be equal to 0. This implies h plus p whole square minus 4 times hp plus kq should be equal to 0. So this should be the condition that h, k has to satisfy. Now once you got the condition h and k, you just need to put x in the place of h and y in the place of k. So this implies x plus p whole square is equal to 4 times h is x, so px plus k is y, qy. So this will be the locus of the other end of the diameter through P and Q. So if you simplify this further, you get x plus p whole square minus 4px. So you can write as x minus p whole square is equal to 4py. So this looks like a standard parabolic equation. So the locus of the other end of the diameter will be a parabola. Thank you.